Allow me to introduce to you the SG Monoblock Strut Kit. This kit will allow you to run a single wide clip on our Vencor 2.0 or SG ultralight holsters. This clip will replace the polymer 2-hole clips that come standard on our appendix holsters. So the kit includes a DCC monoblock clip, a polymer strut that we've designed and we manufacture in-house, and all the hardware you need to install this strut and clip and to remove these two polymer clips. So we're big fans of the DCC monoblock clip. It's very strong, very reliable, and has a very good low profile, ideal for appendix carry. This is what it looks like on a Glock 19 with a claw. So if you're looking for a single wide clip to carry appendix, head over to stealthgearusa.com and get yourself an SG Monoblock Strut Kit.